getting all over the stove.
So, we decided to make what? What?
I don't remember the name
Even
of it.
she doesn't know. We decided to make Korean style popcorn.
Spicy popcorn.
Just no, it's popcorn chicken. It's just Korean style popcorn chicken.
Should be tossing this in a bowl with a lid, but this will have to work.
Yep.
It'll taste the same.
Mhm.
Ooh, this was a good idea, Olivia.
You're welcome.
Something out of the box.
Yeah.
Oh, but there is no box. So.
Exactly. Just pretend there isn't a box. This is what our stove is right now. There's leftover sauce.
Means you can make it again.
Yeah.
Because we have the whole thing. There, how's that look?
That's good.
Now you can. What?
I like zoomed in really far.
Zoomed in really close, like
Yeah.
so you could see the.
Bow. There we go. It's at max right now. That's the chicken.
Think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was the tossing. That was the tossing of the chicken.
Did you want on this plate?
Yeah, that's fine. That's pretty much it. So, what do you rate the experience of making it?
Well, it took me too long to prep it. But that's because I'm slow.
That's because you're impatient
I'm
and slow.
Thanks, I love you.
I know, I love you
Is that good to start with?
too. Yeah.
There you go, man.